Tinker stinker. What's wrong with the side of it?
Something been eating on him. You'll catch a million of them here this size. That's why people don't like this place.
You catch a ton of tiny ones and no
Yep.
big ones.
Like, see, you can't even keep that fish. Yeah, you can.
13 inches.
No, it's a spotted bass.
Oh,
A largemouth has to be 13 inches.
valid.
Fish over here though, didn't I?
Yeah. Didn't know it'd be like a 6 ouncer. What is that? That's even a pound?
No. Oh, about 6 ounces. Playing with your bait.
What's up? So we just finished everything out. Didn't catch but 2 little baby fish, but we got a bunch of good little boat ride clips and stuff in here. So yeah, it was a fun day out here, Memorial Day. So I guess I'll see y'all.